Okay, so let's continue with number 9. Number 9. Before pasteurization, drinking raw milk was risky because it could transmit diseases such as A. Tuberculosis and typhoid, letter B. Diabetes and hypertension, C. Asthma and allergies, D. Scurvy and rickets. Number 10. One of the major public health benefits of pasteurization is A. Extending shelf life of food and beverages. B. Making milk creamier. C. Increasing food acidity. D. Preventing color changes in beverages. Number 11. Pasteurization contributes to food safety by A. Eliminating only viruses, B. Reducing harmful bacteria without major nutrient loss. Letter C. Adding preservatives to milk. Letter D. Making food radioactive. Number 12. The discovery of pasteurization supported with scientific principle. Letter A. Atomic theory. B. Germ theory of disease. C. Law of definite proportions. D. Theory of evolution. Number 13. Which of the following foods is not commonly pasteurized? B. A. Milk. B. Fruit juice. C. Soft drinks. D. Beer. Number 14. Pasteurization is named after Louis Pasteur, who also made contributions to A. The development of penicillin. Letter B. The discovery of DNA structure. Letter C. The development of vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Letter D. The invention of the microscope. Number 15. Why is pasteurization still used today despite modern refrigeration? A. Refrigeration completely kills bacteria. B. Pasteurization improves food appearance. C. Refrigeration only slows microbial growth. Pasteurization eliminates pathogens. Letter D. Pasteurization is cheaper than refrigeration. The answer key for Chemistry Lesson 5. Please proceed to Chemistry Lesson number 6. And the answer key for Chemistry Lesson 4. Scientific discoveries, fermentation studies, and their impact on medicine is as follows. Number 1. A. Number 1, B. Louis Pasteur. Number 2, B. Spontaneous generation. Number 3, C. Microorganisms. Number 4, B. The germ theory of disease. Number 5, B. Pasteurization. Number 6, C. Spontaneous generation. Number 7, B. Pasteurization. Number 8, B. The breakdown of organic compounds in the absence of oxygen by microorganisms. Number 9, B. Vaccine development. Number 10, A. Joseph Lister. Number 11, B. Antibiotics. 12, B. Anthrax. Number 13, A. Heat kills microorganisms. Number 14, A. Vaccines and antibiotics. Number 15, B. Infectious diseases. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.